You will hear a conversation between a student and a receptionist at a language center. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 10.
Good morning, Westfield Language Center. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like some information about the short English courses you offer.
Certainly. We have a few different options. Could you tell me how long you want to study?
Just for a month. I'll be in London from the 3rd of July until the end of the month.
All right. That would be our 4-week summer program. It runs from the 3rd to the 28th of July.
Great. And what's the schedule like?
Classes are held Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. In the afternoons, there are optional activities such as conversation clubs, museum visits, and film screenings.
That sounds interesting. How much does it cost?
The tuition fee is £480 for the 4 weeks. If you want to join the afternoon activities, there is an extra charge of £60 in total.
I think I'll join the activities too. And what about accommodation? Do you provide it?
Yes, we offer homestay with local families. You'll have your own room, breakfast, and dinner included. The cost is £150 per week.
That would be £600 for 4 weeks, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Could you take my details, please?
Of course. Could you give me your full name?
Yes, it's Daniel Reyes. That's Reyes.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. And your contact number?
It's 07984326590.
Let me read that back. 07984326590.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I'll send you an email with the enrollment form. What's your email address?
It's daniel.reyes91@gmail.com.
Excellent. You should receive the details within the next hour.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you in July. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You now have half a minute to check your answers